So, hi guys, welcome to the marathon lectures from Srestha CA and CMA by Srestha faculties. Okay, so right now you may be watching the accounting or auditing or law, whatever the subject. Out of 8 subjects, you may be watching any subject. I don't know. This is just an introduction video from me. Now, what important thing that you need to do right now is don't directly skip to the subject. Don't directly fast forward the video. Please watch this video without any interruption. Even when you're watching the marathon, we have given below the description timestamps. If you click on a particular timestamp, you will go to that particular chapter. But what I sincerely advise you, please watch this entire marathon in the same order. Suppose we uploaded 12th hour, don't directly go to the 5th hour and start watching. Watch in the same order because there is a structure that we follow so that you get the best understanding. Getting it? And further, after this 1 or 2 minutes, getting it, there is my another video which is merged, which is already merged. Please watch that also because that is an instruction to be followed while watching the marathon, what material to be used, all that also I covered. So the initial 5-7 minutes of my content, please do not skip. Please do not skip. So you're going to get some guidance on how to watch this marathon. Then you can directly start with the subject. That's it. Getting it? So take care. Continue watching. And please do not watch at higher playback speed. Some students think watching at higher speed, 1.5 times, 2 times the speed, dangerous approach. See, your objective of listening to the marathon class is not to listen, but to learn something. Learning, you should not make it fast. If at all we can cover the video in 5 hours, we would have covered in 5 hours, no? See, suppose I uploaded 10 hours marathon. If at all we can cover it in 5 hours, we would have taken it in 5 hours, right? Why the hell we take 10 hours? Why the hell we take 20 hours? So if at all you're watching at 2 times the speed, 1.5 times speed, you are not actually learning. You're only listening to the words. You are not learning. You're not analyzing. Analysis will not transmit. Understanding, you'll not get the emotion exactly. Whatever the emotion or intensity the faculty is teaching, if at all you're watching at higher speed, higher playback speed, you will never get that intensity. You will never get that connection. You just listen and leave. See, this is the reason why students, in spite repeat many a times, they still do not recollect. They still do not understand the content. Some students say, sir, some students may be faster in learning. If at all you are very fast in learning, try to listen the song at 1.5 times speed. Take any one particular song, try to listen at a higher speed. See whether you are connecting or not to it. You are listening, no? Music is audible, song words are audible, vocals and music, everything is audible. But why you are unable to connect? Connection is required with the subject. In order to establish that connection, please listen to the subject at standard speed. Even though you may be very smart, you may be very intelligent, just try that intelligence while listening to the songs also. Listen to a song at 2 times the speed. Emotion is important. In anything, any work you do, emotional connection is required. So please watch the entire content at standard speed. And I'm telling you, if at all you want to try 1 hour, if 1 hour you watch at standard speed, another 1 hour you watch at higher speed, you check back yourself where you are learning better. I think that is the best judge, that is the best decision. Just try that and then do. Because many people in YouTube are misguiding students saying, listen at higher speed, revise more number. No, that's not. Listen at standard speed. Your revision, number of times revision will naturally reduce. That's it. So continue watching the video. Thank you. Have a nice time. Bye-bye. So, hi guys. First of all, thank you very much for, encouraging our institutes, rest of us CA and CMA to this level. Anyhow, so here is a good news for all of you from Srestha. Again, in respect of November 2022 exams, we are going to upload again all updated marathon classes, revision classes. Okay, we are once again uploading the videos or revision videos for November 2022 exams. And we are doing it for all 8 subjects. So who are the faculties that first of all taking all these marathon revision classes? And myself, I will take audit and I will take some 2 or 3 important chapters of company law. And so nothing but P5, mainly I'll focus on, paper 6. And Satyaraju sir will focus on paper 1 and paper 5. So you will be getting approximately 20 plus 20, 40 hours of marathon for accounts and advanced accounts put together. Then Subramaniam sir will be taking paper 2 part A, company law main chapters. And Harish Krishnan sir will be taking paper 7, which is EAS and SM marathon. And Vikita madam is taking paper 2B, other loss marathon. And Samba sir is going to take paper 4, income tax, separate marathon for 12 hours. GST, some 10 hours, separate marathon. And Srinivas Reddy sir, paper 3, costing marathon, approximately we are going to upload for 15 hours. And coming to our another faculty, paper 8 part B, Naga sir is going to take economics marathon. And same Samba sir is going to take paper 8 part A, financial management marathon class. So from the entire Shrestha team, we are going to give you all 8 subjects revision marathon classes on YouTube. Now, first thing that you might get a doubt. So what are the things or what are the materials that you are going to use for these marathons? So before that, where you will find this marathon on the YouTube? Very simple. You just open caramharsha. Okay, there is a YouTube channel. So go to that home videos and there is a playlist. Here you will find a playlist separately for November 2022 marathons, revisions, CA, Inter. So in this playlist, you will find all 8 subjects. Now immediately you might get a doubt. Are all 8 subjects uploaded right now? No. By 10th of the September, you may be watching this video. You may be watching this video, on the date on which it was uploaded, or even maybe later. I don't know. Getting it? By 10th of September, all subjects except auditing, we will upload. Audit subject new marathon, we will upload after September 20. After September 20, audit related subject marathon will be uploaded. And you know what? The all revision classes, entire revision marathons are absolutely in English. Because we Shrestha is having 1500 plus students across 20 states in India. Not 20, I can say 26 states I think we have covered. Some 2 or 3 northeast states only we have not covered, but 26 states we are having admissions. So obviously, for us, the students across India, we can't use any particular regional language. So we have to stick to English. So entire explanation will be in English. Now, coming to a few questions which you need to understand. Okay. One. We have uploaded in May 2022 exams some video classes, marathon classes. I am telling you the same revision classes with slight modifications we are uploading. Some for few chapters we re-recorded like 1 or 2 chapters wherever there were amendments. But actually speaking, for May attempt and November attempt, the subject, the material, everything is exactly same. Because right now we are in September month 2022, right? If at all you go and check ICI website, what is the latest material available? November 2021 edition, October 2021 edition. So typically for May attempt, whatever material we are using, the same material we are going to use for November. I hope you are getting it. And now so we are using a particular material, right, for marathon, where you can download this marathon, where you can download this particular material which is used in the marathon classes. So there is an app in Shrestha for SHRE, Shrestha for CA and CMA. There is an application called Shrestha for CA and CMA. You will find right side, above me, there are 2 logos. First logo is there white color logo. That logo. If you type this name in the Play Store, you will get that logo. Getting it? Only from Android you can download the material. Suppose if you do not have an Android phone, please use somebody's Android phone and download the material. Okay, so in this application, you just download and log in. We have given in the main menu. If you go to the application, there is something called main menu. Just after opening the app, left side top, you will find main menu. Click on that, you will find study material. Inside that, November 2022 and May 2023, there are materials. Please download the materials. PDF copies, please download and keep it with you, so that it will be useful when you're watching the revision class, so that whatever faculty is actually using the material, so it is with you in hand. That's it. If at all you want to have a hard copy, you can buy that hard copy on the same application. But I don't think you require a hard copy, because it's a revision class. So whatever you already have gone through, whatever material you already learned from, please stick to that material. Take our revision classes as a additional guidance. And I'm telling you, you're going to enjoy the subject like anything from, See, generally in YouTube you'll find many subject related marathon, but for all 8 subjects at a single place with a particular standard, uniform standard, you'll rarely find. So here our institutes, rest of us CA and CMA, is giving you that option. Getting it? So I hope you understood what we are going to deliver. Now, what are the topics that we are going to cover approximately, if at all you ask me? So if you look at paper 1, accounting, we are going to upload 2 videos. Approximately both the videos put together will be 20 plus hours. So these are the chapters: fundamentals, incorporation, introduction to accounting standard frameworks, AS2 and AS12, financial statements of company, bonus, investment accounts, redemption of debentures. That's it. We are not covering anything else from accounts subject. And paper 2A, company law, if you look at, me and Subramani sir, both of us are taking in this case the classes. Like if you look at accounts of companies and dividend, audit and auditors, these 3 chapters related revision I will take. Rest of the chapters, basic, incorporation, share capital, deposits, charges, these chapters revision will be handled by Subramaniam sir. Then other laws, all these topics are being covered by Vikita madam. And paper 3 costing, all these topics, 100% of all the chapters are being covered by Srinivas Reddy sir. Okay. Then part 2, see, costing video will be uploaded in 2 parts. Both together will be 15 to 16 hours. Then paper 4A, income tax, we are going to cover 5 heads of income, clubbing provision, set up and carry forward, chapter 6A, return of income, TDS and TCS. And GST, we are going to cover almost all the chapters. Then advanced accounts, introduction, few accounting standards, amalgamation, reconstruction, liquidation, partnership, consolidation. All these topics we are going to cover as part of revision. And accounting, advanced accounting is also being uploaded in 2 parts. Accounts, you will have 2 parts videos. Advanced accounts, you will have 2 parts videos. Sorry, company law, you will have 2 parts. Sorry, costing, you'll have 2 parts videos. Then coming to auditing, ignore auditing right now because I have not yet uploaded the marathon. Then paper 8A, financial management, these chapters. Paper 8B, these chapters. Even paper 7A, paper 7B also, we are going to upload all the subjects. I told you where you will find all these videos. You will find that in the Play Store. Open caramharsha, open playlist. Inside that you will find November first playlist, November 2022 marathon. So in that playlist you will find all the 8 subjects video. By the way, you will find all these videos by 10th September maximum. Getting it? So actually I'm recording this video on 4th September. So right now after this video I'll be uploading the marathon videos. And this video will be a common video in all in all marathon videos, whatever I'm going to upload, 12 hours videos. In all the videos, this video right now, whatever I'm recording, will be a common video, so that every time whoever is watching a new revision class will not miss all this. Now, one more important thing. Now, who should not watch this marathon class? If at all you are a first time learner. Now, many people will ask me, sir, is it useful for a first time learner? No. This is not for first time learners at all. This is for those who are going to write exam. Okay, those who are just about to go and write the exam. No, for them only this is. See, a subject is completely covered in 20 hours. 100 marks paper is hardly being covered in 20-24 hours. A regular course will be 120-150 hours. Imagine we are reducing 1/5 time. It's a revision. First of all, understand, revision is useful. Revision class will be useful only for those who already prepared the subject once. You may have prepared in self-preparation method, or you may have taken coaching. That doesn't matter. That doesn't matter. But those who already prepared once, only for them this is useful. For others, strictly I'm saying not at all useful. Because don't waste your time. But I'm telling you, those who already have gone through books, who already wrote 1 or 2 attempts, getting it, or who are first timers. Maybe you are first time you're writing in November, but you already gone through the coaching. For you, these marathons are going to be a best thing in your preparation. Definitely after watching this marathon, you will definitely get a new look on the subject, new idea, new perspective on the subject, so that within next 1.5 months you can plan your preparation perfectly. That's it. Okay, take care, have a nice time. So continue the classes. Getting it? So this is an intro video. First I'll upload this normally, then again I'll upload this as part of the revision videos. Getting it? So continue. Thank you. Have a nice time. Bye bye.